Alright, today we're doing a lesson on absolute location using latitude and longitude lines. I already have a map here laid out, so I have it labeled north, south, east, and west. The important part of this is that the Earth is curved, and so the lines also have to be curved on a flat map. Okay? You have two main lines that your reference points to start from. You have your equator, which is 0 degrees north or south, and your prime meridian, which is 0 degrees east and west. Okay? Yeah, you start out with your latitude lines, like we said, to go west to east or east to west. They go in increments on this particular map: 20 degrees north, 40 degrees north, 60 degrees north, and so on. Okay? And then the same way you'd go to the south: 20 degrees south, 40 degrees south, 60 degrees south. When you're looking at your longitude lines, obviously the prime meridian starting at 0 degrees. If you go to the left or the west, okay, they go in 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees. Each map is different. You just have to pay attention to what the degrees are on the map. And also prime meridian into the east, okay, 20 degrees, 40 degrees, 60 degrees. Okay. So when we're looking at absolute location, we're looking at where do the lines meet up. So if we take 40 degrees north latitude, which would be, here's your equator, be north of the equator, and your if you go 100 degrees to the west of the prime meridian and you make that where they meet in the middle, that's where you get the United States. One other example to use would be, we have 48 degrees north, so you have find your 48 degrees. Obviously it goes in 20 degree increments, so you got to figure that out a little bit there. And 2 degrees east longitude, so you have 0 degrees just barely there. You meet those, you get to France. So that is how you find absolute location using latitude and longitude lines. And today you're going to do a little sheet on finding those particular latitude and longitude lines and where they meet up.